today I'm going to be showing you some assisted PNF stretching techniques for the medial and lateral rotators of the shoulder. When we are stretching the medial rotators, we are going to be focusing on the pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, and the subscapularis. For this one, we are going to take the client. There's several different positions. For the first one, what we can do is have the elbow by the side. We are going to apply a downward pressure to the shoulder to stabilize the shoulder, and then take them into lateral rotation. Once they can't go any farther, you're going to give them 2 taps. They're going to go into medial rotation. Hold that for 4 to 7 seconds, and then they're going to relax, and you're going to take them deeper into the stretch. If you want to add an added antagonist contraction, what you can do is 2 taps. They're going to push into your hand. And then give another tap. They are going to assist you by going with the movement. For this one, there are several ways that we can perform that. One was in the position that I just showed you. Another one is going to be to take the arm up to 90 degrees. Same thing, we're going to stabilize with one arm at the shoulder. Go take them into lateral rotation. Once they can't go anymore, 2 taps, they're going to push into your wrist. 4 to 7 seconds, they're going to relax. And then you're going to take them deeper into lateral rotation. And then again, if you want to add an antagonist contraction, you can perform the same thing and then just have them assist you in the movement. Another way that we can perform this is by having the client with their elbow or with their shoulder flexed to 90 degrees, and then we are going to take them into as much external rotation as possible. 2 taps, they're going to bring their wrist towards the midline, and after 4 to 7 seconds, they're going to relax. And you're going to take them deeper into the stretch. And as with before, we can also add an antagonist contraction by having them assist you in the movement by helping you go in the direction that you are taking them in. To stretch the lateral rotators, what we are going to do is take the arm to 90 degrees. When we are stretching the lateral rotators, what we're going to be focusing on is the infraspinatus, the posterior deltoid, and all the muscles that are involved in medial rotation, or lateral rotation. We are going to take them with the arm out, take them into medial rotation until they can't go anymore. 2 taps, they're going to bring their wrist up towards the ceiling. And 1 tap, they're going to relax, and you are going to take them into more medial rotation. And then if we want to add an added antagonist contraction, they're going to resist. After 4 to 7 seconds, you're going to give 1 more, and they are going to bring their hand down towards the floor and assist you in going more into medial rotation. Another way that we can perform this particular test is by flexing the arm and flexing the elbow. So what we're going to do for this one is go as much into medial rotation. So for this one, we're going to again stabilize at the shoulder and go as much into medial rotation as possible. And then after, we're going to give them a tap. For 4 to 7 seconds, they're going to raise their arm towards the opposite side of the room and then relax. And you're going to go a little bit deeper. And again, if we wanted to add an antagonist contraction, what we would do is the exact same thing, only after they rest, instead of just completely relaxing, they are going to assist you by going into the movement with you.